Hi everyone, Rene with whyamIgreen.com, and today is a solemn day. I came out to check my plant. I was all excited to check my one seed challenge, and I'm sorry to say that the challenge has ended for me. Let me show you why. So this morning I came up here, came around the corner, going through gnome land, went to take a look at my lemon hot pepper, and this is what I found. Can you see it? You may have guessed, it's gone. Luca's laughing, it's really not funny. It was so beautiful, I was so excited, and what exactly happened? This is what happened. This is Missy.
She committed murder. Murder.
Her new name has been dubbed Plant Killer.
She ate it, but it was good.
Okay, interrogation. Mitzi, did you eat the plant? Oh, don't act sweet. Did you eat the plant? We know what you did. This is Mitzi. Mitzi ate the plant.
I don't want to be filmed. Put away the camera.
So, the demise of our plant. So anyways, I want to thank all of you that joined us in our one seed challenge. Little word of warning, if you have a cat, it does not mix with the one seed challenge.
No.
So, Mitzi, it's okay, Mitzi. I'll get you a plant when you grow one. So with that, have a great day, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.
Bye. It's okay.